You're not gonna believe this, but you can literally spy on what ChatGPT sends to Bing when it decides what it needs to search the web. And this could completely change your SEO strategy. I am Victoria Olsina and I'm an SEO expert, and today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT trick reveals exactly what it searches and how you can use this to boost your rankings and be visible on LLMs. We all know that ChatGPT uses Bing for searches, but here is the kicker. You can see exactly what it searches and how to rank for it. So if you're in SEO or if you just want to rank on ChatGPT LLMs, this is for you. Let me show you. I have a friend that works in a startup incubator at Outlier Ventures, and today she sent me this message. She wanted to know why her company is not showing up when she searches for, I have a startup, Web3 startup, and I'm looking to apply to an accelerator. Can you share with me accelerators with open intake? So we are going to do this search that she was doing, and I'm going to show you a little trick. So before, I'm going to copy and paste this, and I'm going to inspect. I'm going to go to network, and yeah, we cannot see anything here. But look what happens when I run the query. This opens conversation, and conversation starts telling you all of the data that ChatGPT is processing to give you these recommendations. So here we have is recommending Techstars Web3 Accelerator, Startup Wise, Flagship Accelerator, and others, right? How to choose the accelerator and next steps. Now the goal is here. Here it will show you exactly all of the data that is running on the background. Now this document is a bit complicated, so we are gonna ask ChatGPT what is this about, and say, walk me through the thought process of this LLM, and we're gonna see what happens. It's telling me, so here it's telling me exactly how this LLM is reasoning results. Now it's saying that it's running this event, web.run, on Bing, and it's going to do two queries: Web3 Startup Accelerator Open Application Intake 2025 and Web3 Accelerator Open Now Intake. Now then it starts interpreting the results, and it will give us part results for the name of the accelerator, focus area, application status, and the perks of each of them. Then delta events are the ones that tell you exactly what is picking from, right? In delta, we go here, look, Wikipedia, Orange DAO, E27, Quick Note. My friend works on Outlier Ventures, and here is one of the results. Now, I want to know why they didn't pick up Outlier Ventures. Maybe we can ask them too. Outlier Ventures is actually ranking for, if we go here, we can see that they are ranking for Web3 Accelerator, but not Open Intake. Let's see, we're gonna see what are the results that come up. Let's see on page 2 if we can find Outlier Ventures. No, we cannot. Okay, I want to know why it didn't pick up Outlier Ventures. I want to know why it didn't recommend Outlier Ventures. And it tells you Outlier Ventures didn't make the top recommended because at the time of search there was no clear indication of an open application. It says it's focused on quarterly intake, not immediate intake. And one of the main keywords here was open intake. It reads the SEO title, look here, title and snippet, which is the meta description, which is how SEO was like in 2001. So I'm gonna ask this one, why didn't recommend Outlier Ventures? And we're gonna see another response here. So yeah, here we have the answer. So if we go to the Outlier Ventures website, we said that it was reading, right? It was reading the titles and the meta descriptions. So probably we could say here that it should be applications open, Web3 Accelerator applications open. Now, when we go to the page, we see that It says application open for these two programs, but we see it in the title. It says post web application, Outlier Ventures, but it doesn't say Web3, Accelerator, open application. It has to be a bit more obvious. Post web, it doesn't mean much to most people, so probably that is the problem there. And here, apply for token launch program. Yeah, this probably needs a bit more clarification as well. I want to know what part of the websites listed in the LLM analysis is using to make a decision. And here it says exactly what I told you before. The LLM doesn't read entire pages. What it reads is the title of the search result and the meta descriptions and the URL structure. So again, it's important to optimize like if it was 2001 title, meta description, and URL, and your keyword should be there. This is your SEO cheat code, and now you're seeing the exact queries and results that ChatGPT considers relevant. Now you can start targeting those terms in your SEO strategies, optimizing title, meta description, and URLs. If you have any questions about these results, you can ask to ChatGPT again like I did. And now we know it. If this opened your eyes, hit the subscribe buttons, and if you have questions or insights, drop them in the comments. And if you want more behind the scene SEO hacks like this, subscribe now. I'm Victoria Olsina, and I'll see you on the next one.